Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to start our new series. We're going to do steps with turns, and we'll start with chasse with different kind of turns. First one will be forward outside chasse, power pull, and double inside 3 turn. Then we're going to go backward with backward chasse and backward inside double 3 turn. So you're doing backward chasse, power pull from backward outside to backward inside edge, and double 3 turn. Next one we're going to do brackets. We're going to do chasse, forward outside bracket, push back outside, and then start backward outside chasse, backward outside bracket, and push forward outside. Then we switch legs and start from other leg. Right foot forward outside, chasse and bracket, push back outside, and then right foot backward chasse and backward outside bracket. Next one we're going to do with inside brackets. So after chasse we're going to do power pull. Same as previous exercise, you just add power pull and change your edge. Then you switch and start with other leg. Forward outside chasse, power pull, forward inside bracket, and then backward outside chasse, power pull, and backward inside bracket. We did 3 turns and brackets. Now we're moving on to rockers. Chasse, forward outside rocker, stay in half circle, and then backward outside chasse and backward outside rocker, and then stay in half circle and forward outside edge. Switch your legs and then start other foot. Forward chasse, forward outside rocker, and then backward chasse and backward outside rocker. And now we're going to do inside rockers. So yes, we're going to do power pull again. Chasse, power pull, forward inside rocker, push back outside, and then start backward chasse, power pull and inside edge, backward inside rocker, and push forward outside. Then we switch legs and start again from other leg. Chasse, power pull, forward rocker, and then backward chasse, power pull, backward inside rocker. Next, we're going to repeat same exercises with counters, starting from outside counters, forward and backward, after chasse, good extension, control, bend your knees before and after counter, and stay half circle after counter to hold that edge. And then inside counters after power pull, chasse, power pull, forward inside counter, push back outside, and then start from backward chasse, power pull, and backward counter. Again, switch legs and start from other leg. This is very good warm-up exercises, and you also work on all your turns and chasse. Next one, Twizzles. Again, doing chasse and forward and backward outside Twizzles right away. So you finish your chasse, push into Twizzle, forward Twizzle, you exit backward, and then you're doing backward chasse and backward Twizzle, you exit forward. And then same we're going to do with inside Twizzles. Chasse, power pull, and then forward inside Twizzle, exiting backward, and then chasse, power pull, and backward Twizzle, we're going to exit forward. Switch your leg and start again from forward chasse. You can do 2-3 revolutions in Twizzles, whatever you can do, and then control your arms and free leg position during Twizzles. And then we'll finish with last turn. It will be a loop. And we're going to start with forward outside loops right after forward outside chasse. Work on continuous flow through the loop and keep your skating leg bent through entire loop. Now we're going to start with forward inside loops after chasse and power pull. Check your free leg going closer to your skating leg during the loop and bend your leg right after power pull. Next, we're going to do backward outside loops right after backward outside chasse from both legs. Work with your upper body into the loop, but keep your shoulders in side circle during chasse. And we'll finish with backward inside loops. Again, chasse, power pull, bend your knee, and complete your loop with your free leg going closer to your skating leg. Keep practicing on these exercises, and then I will make more videos with other steps combined with all 6 types of turns. Thank you for watching. Please remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel.